Alrighty, YouTubers, this is a final Amazon unboxing for this Friday night. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys are staying warm though. Down we got this door bottom seal. May go. Take a look. I'll do a setup in a second. I just gotta find a door that needs it. I think I know where. But you guys can get one at a low cost. That's all you gotta do. Click on the link below, and it will take you right to Amazon Prime. Take advantage of the Prime membership. There we go. Oh, man. Yep, I already know where this is gonna go. It's gonna be going by my garage door. Boom. And like I said, that video is going to come up in a minute. Whoa, whoa. Here we go. Shout out. Right there's the name. Fowong. Door bottom seal. Easy strip. Boom. Do it yourself type deal. All I got to do is cut it. Size it up. Line it up right. 3-layer design. Waterproof. Alright, good stuff. Oh, we get a little thumbtacks. Cut this open. Bam. There, thumbtacks. Thumbtacks. Also a little extra thumbtacks right there. Boom. And hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. The weather guard strip. Nicely installed. Got it all the way through. Works pretty good. Looks 3D-ish. It's cold in my garage, but this thing looks 3D effect. I might put that a little bit more, glue it more, cut it a little bit, an inch or so. That'll be alright. Bam. Like I said, you guys could get one at low cost. Click on the link below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. And that's about it. And you guys have a good weekend. Be safe, stay warm. And you guys have a good night. See ya.